Hello and welcome to Crypto and Cashback. In this video we will have a look at the Nagapay debit card and app. With Nagapay you can pay with crypto, earn up to 3% cashback in Bitcoin, and you can get a sign-up bonus of €10 in BTC. I am not a financial advisor. Don't take anything I say as financial advice. All videos at my channel only explain the journey I am making and for educational purposes only. Welcome back to Crypto and Cashback. Today, we're diving into Nagapay, a debit card and app that lets you manage your crypto and earn cashback effortlessly. Let's start by exploring the Nagapay website. Here's what Nagapay has to offer. Multiple crypto payment options. Nagapay allows you to pay with more than 20 different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. This versatility makes it incredibly convenient for everyday transactions. Referral program. With Nagapay's referral program, you and your friend each receive €10 in Bitcoin when you refer them. I personally used a referral link and received my €10 in Bitcoin within just a few days. It's a simple and effective way to earn some extra crypto. Cashback rewards. Nagapay offers up to 3% cashback in Bitcoin on your purchases. The exact percentage of cashback depends on your account plan, which we will discuss later in the video. Banking features. Nagapay makes managing your finances seamless. You can handle your bank account, make SEPA payments, and enjoy a free IBAN account. This integration of traditional banking with crypto is one of Nagapay's standout features. Visa card payments. With the Nagapay card, you can make payments anywhere Visa is accepted. This means you can use your crypto to pay for everyday items, from groceries to online shopping. Stock trading. Within the Nagapay app, you can also trade stocks. This adds another layer of functionality, allowing you to manage both your crypto and traditional investments in one place. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the different plans Nagapay offers. On the screen, you'll see the three available plans: Basic, Premium, and Elite. First up is the Basic plan, which is completely free of charge. This plan provides 0.5% cashback in Bitcoin on up to €200 of your monthly spending. You also get one free ATM withdrawal per month, with a daily withdrawal limit of €300. The crypto trading fee with this plan is 3.5%. Although the card delivery costs €10, you don't necessarily need the physical card because you can add your Nagapay card to Apple Pay and Google Pay, making it incredibly convenient for digital payments. Next is the Premium plan, which costs €5 per month or an annual fee of €60. With the Premium plan, you earn 1.5% cashback in Bitcoin on up to €1,000 of your monthly spending. This plan also includes 3 free ATM withdrawals per month, with a higher daily withdrawal limit of €500. The crypto trading fee is slightly lower at 3%. Plus, the card delivery is free with this plan. It's a great option if you want to step up your cashback rewards and enjoy more ATM withdrawals. Finally, the Elite plan is available for €12.50 per month or an annual fee of €150. This top-tier plan offers a generous 3% cashback in Bitcoin on up to €2,000 of monthly spending. You also get 5 free ATM withdrawals per month, with a daily withdrawal limit of €500. The crypto trading fee is reduced to 2.5%, and like the Premium plan, card delivery is free. If you're a heavy spender and want to maximize your cashback, the Elite plan is the way to go. I don't see a reason not to sign up for Nagapay, especially with the Basic plan. It's free, offers 0.5% cashback, and you get a sign-up bonus of €10 in Bitcoin. You can always use this card if you've reached your monthly cap with other cards like the debitcard or Plutus card. For the Premium plan, you need to spend at least €340 to break even, considering the cashback and the plan's cost. For the Elite plan, you need to spend at least €420 to break even. These plans can be great value if your spending aligns with these thresholds. Now, let's move on to the next feature of Nagapay, their Preferred Partners program. On the screen, you'll see a list of partners where you can get extra discounts when you mention Nagapay. Nagapay has partnered with a wide range of companies to offer exclusive discounts to their users. This means that when you shop at any of these preferred partners and mention Nagapay when paying, you can enjoy additional savings. There are a lot of companies listed as preferred partners. However, I have to be honest, personally, I don't know most of these stores and I haven't used these preferred partners myself. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't give it a try. If you see a store you recognize or want to explore new options, mentioning Nagapay could be a great way to save even more. Now we'll explore two more important features of Nagapay: the ability to pay with Apple and Google Pay, and a deeper understanding of how the cashback system works. First, let's look at the pages on the Nagapay website that explain the integration with Apple and Google Pay. One of the major conveniences of using Nagapay is that you don't need to rely on the physical card. You can easily add your Nagapay card to Apple Pay and Google Pay, allowing you to make secure and contactless payments directly from your smartphone or watch. This is perfect for quick, hassle-free transactions and adds an extra layer of convenience to your everyday purchases. One of the standout benefits of Nagapay compared to many competitors is that it supports both Apple Pay and Google Pay. Many other crypto debit card providers don't offer this dual compatibility, making Nagapay a more versatile and user-friendly option. Now, let's take a comprehensive look at the pros and cons of Nagapay compared to its competitors. This will help you understand where Nagapay stands out and where it might fall short. First, the pros of Nagapay: cashback in Bitcoin. One of the major advantages of Nagapay is that it offers cashback in Bitcoin. Most competitors provide cashback in their own volatile crypto coins, which can be less stable and less desirable than Bitcoin. Apple and Google Pay integration. Another significant benefit is the ability to add your Nagapay card to both Apple Pay and Google Pay. This feature is not commonly available with many other crypto debit cards, making Nagapay a more versatile and convenient option for both iPhone and Android users. Cashback on basic plan. Nagapay offers cashback even on its basic plan, which is free of charge. This is a great way to start earning crypto rewards without any initial investment. Cashback available within a few days. After you did your payment, the cashback is normally available within 3 days. The cons: no perks. Unlike some competitors, Nagapay does not offer additional perks such as Netflix or Spotify. If these kinds of benefits are important to you, you might find this a drawback. Break-even points for premium and elite plans. For the premium plan, you need to spend at least €340 to break even, and for the elite plan, at least €420. This means you need to ensure your spending aligns with these amounts to fully benefit from the cashback offered by these plans. Cashback incompatibility with Curve Card. Unfortunately, the cashback feature does not work if you use the Curve Card. If you're unfamiliar with Curve, be sure to check out my video about the Curve Card for more details. Personally, I started with the basic plan to get a feel for Nagapay's offerings. After enjoying the benefits, I decided to upgrade to the premium plan. I've been using Nagapay more and more, and it has become a staple in my financial toolkit alongside the Bybit card. Consequently, I've found myself using the Plutus card less frequently. Let's walk through the steps to apply for Nagapay and its debit card, and understand how the cashback system works. Discover why signing up for Nagapay is a smart move. To get started with Nagapay, use the referral link provided in the description of this video or the pinned comment. This link ensures that both you and I receive a sign-up bonus of €10 in Bitcoin upon qualification. After clicking the referral link, you'll create your Nagapay account. The basic plan is completely free, so there's no cost to get started. During the sign-up process, you'll upload 2 essential documents. The first document is a form of ID. This can be a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. The second document is a proof of address, an invoice showing your name and address, such as a bill from your energy supplier. Once approved, you can start using your Nagapay account and debit card to earn cashback on your purchases. Please note, cashback does not work if you use the curve card for transactions. Let's have a look at the Nagapay app. The first screenshot of the app is where you can see the 3 different options to top up your card: by credit card, SEPA payment, or direct salary deposit into your Nagapay account. At the next screenshot you see the latest transactions in the app, showing cashback earned in Bitcoin added to your balance. You'll see both your fiat and crypto balances. The next screenshot is the cashback dashboard in the app where you can manage and withdraw your earned Bitcoin cashback to your crypto wallet. Lastly, here you can see the crypto wallet where you can withdraw or sell your earned Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this overview of Nagapay insightful and helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. I will create a new video soon where I will compare the different cashback cards I use, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on Nagapay, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is valuable to us.